Hi pretty people of the internet. As you may know, I have changed my style quite a bit these past few months, and I'm getting boobies in a couple of weeks. So there's a lot of clothes in my closet right now that really just don't match with my new style, or I won't fit because I'm gonna have boobs for the first time ever. So yes, welcome to my third major closet clean out of this year. I have a problem, I know. So this is my closet right here. I actually have two. And here. My closets are really fucking ugly. They are so messy, really dark, but there's this really fun light right here, which is really nice and helpful. The only kind of organization I have is in the sense that this side is for short sleeves and this side is for long sleeves. There's so much random stuff on the top shelf, and then I like haphazardly hung all of my clothes here on $2 Target hangers in two different colors. Then on the bottom there's just a huge pile of shoes, and then my hamper, and then a little drawer thing that I keep like my underwear, bras, and socks in. More random stuff on top, and then I had like a really ugly desk that my apartment complex gave us, so kind of just stuffed it on the bottom of this closet. Thank God it fit, so we just stuck it in there. There's a chair in here and a lot of just random stuff that I can't really fit anywhere else. Okay, so I'm only going to be keeping clothes that feel like me and my new style if the fabric is comfy enough, because your girl has really sensitive skin, and if it fits well now and will fit my new body. So I'm starting off with, I guess, the biggest category of clothes I have, which are crop tops, because I love me a good crop top. This is gonna be a little tricky, I think, to try to figure out what I'm gonna be able to fit after I get my boobies, because I don't know if they're gonna be too short, too tight. We'll see. So I really like this top right here. It kind of makes me feel like Kim Possible. Don't really know why, but it does. Okay, so I thrifted this one. Definitely tell I cut this myself. Okay, so I really like this shirt, right? And then I posted a picture of me in it on Instagram, and then someone said that I look like Squidward. So now I just feel really insecure whenever I wear this, but I really like brown and I like buttons and collars. So I think I just need to get over that comment. But yeah, I guess I do look like Squidward, but maybe hot Squidward. So I used to wear this shirt all the time to like frat parties and clubs. Please tell me why. I was like, you know what would make guys like me? Wearing a cow shirt. I really like the cut. I think it's like really flattering. I think that's why I was like, okay, period. She served me well, but I think it's time to retire because it's just not doing it for me anymore. I remember when these were just so in, but I just don't think the shape is very flattering on me. I just look more like a box, so sorry. I really had high hopes for this top. I was so excited when I bought it, but the material is so itchy and I'm so sensitive. And it used to be kind of like more like furry, but now it's like all like bunched up together. The color combination, I was like, I'm gonna serve Trixie from Fairly Odd Parents and like look like an Asian queen. That didn't happen. I look like this now. These used to be my favorite tops ever. I have 4 of them. I think I'm gonna keep the black one, and then I'm gonna keep this one. This is one of the few things that I've ever bought from Urban Outfitters at full price, and I don't wear it. I'm so upset with myself because obviously I spent way too much money on this if this is from Urban Outfitters. One of my favorite tops, super flattering, super cute, love the colors. Keeping. So I got this with the intent of looking like, oh nice, K-pop star. I feel like they would wear something like this with like the colors. I don't know, doesn't work on me. I tried. I just want to be Jennie from Blackpink. I wish I can give a hug and a sticker to every one of you that is still watching this boring ass shit of me rambling about crop tops. So let's do a speed, fire, rapid, fast, speed round. Okay, let's go. Yeah. This one's okay. Couple of basics. Gotta keep them. Goodbye. Thrifted this baby for 50 cents. I'm never letting go. I'm a hoe for anything embroidered. Thrifted these, love them. I have 2 more basics. I don't need more basics. I just keep losing. My outfit looks so good in this. I don't know what possessed me to get this. I love me a big shirt, so I got lots here. This is one of my favorites that I got recently. It's so funny. I'm wearing it now. I ended up keeping most of my big t-shirts since I wear all of them pretty regularly. Yeah. Moving on to the tank tops, I let go about half of what's on that rack. Last of the hanging parts of this closet are my dresses. This one giving very picnic bitch. A company sent this to me and I tried so hard for it to make it work on me, but as you can see, it just doesn't fit. It's just not made for my body type. So I'm keeping this jumpsuit solely in case I have to go to like any important like business meeting or like some, because I'm a business major, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna have to go to like something business, and I feel like this jumpsuit is nice. I don't know, with like a nice jacket, like a nice blazer on top. I don't know what business casual really looks like. It's really ugly to me, but I guess I have to keep it. No. It's the way that when I bought this online, I was like, oh my gosh, I would look so cute. The model looks so good on it. I always forget that when I order things online, it doesn't come with the body. So this is what it looks like on me. Obviously not a good look. I look like a Teletubby. This is one of the first dresses that I've ever like really liked on me. I have worn this dress a total of one time, and it was on Valentine's with my boyfriend. I didn't feel very sexy or cute in it. I had way higher expectations for this dress. I see so many girls wear slip dresses out and it looks so adorable. I just can't really figure out how to do it. This shirt is giving me very Viva Doobie. I love it. I've really been inspired by her style lately. I really just like it. So when I saw this top, I was like, I must try it, and I think it's so cool. I just got this one. I'm just gonna keep this because I'm probably gonna need this if I need to wear like business casual. Oh my god, I lived in this freshman and most of sophomore year of college. I'm like so nostalgic with it. I used to work at PacSun in like 2017, and this was one of the first things I bought when I like had like my employee discount. While I do wear sweatshirts most days, I actually only reach out for like 3 of them, so I got rid of a ton. I wanted to be one of those cool girls that thrifted a nice leather jacket. It's just I haven't found it yet because I look like a box. We did it! We went through all of my hanging clothes. We got lots of more clothes to go through in my other stuff. But for now, oh my god. So this is my keep pile, and this is my giveaway pile. Okay, now on to my shoes over here. I wanted to do this before I like put my clothes up there just so it's less congested, and I'm also really tired of looking at clothes right now. So, big pile of shoes, yes. Have a dead plant in here. This was from move-in day, and it got severely sunburnt, as you can see, and I had nowhere else to put it. So she's just been dead in here for a while. I think it's time to let her rest in peace, so I'll go dump her away somewhere. Okay, so we are going to hang up all of this. So we're finally moving on to my drawers under my bed right here. I got 4 of them. There is no organization with this. Everything is jumbled up together. I think this will be pretty easy for me to let go of a lot of things though, because if you have seen my outfits, I only wear like 5 bottoms. y'all. 4 hours later, I've done it. I kind of really thought this video was going to be a fail because I was like, oh, I don't know if I have that much stuff to clean out. Turns out I did. I have so many hangers left over. It's literally insane. I'm going to pack these up and bring them to my sister, see if she wants any, and the clothes that she doesn't want, I might be selling on my Depop. We'll see if they're like cute enough to sell or just donate them. Okay, I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.